Very good morning student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal. As a physics teacher, I am representing Santipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. Student, in the previous lecture आपने स्टडी करा था अबाउट द चैप्टर नंबर 2 इंट्रोडक्शन एरर्स इन मेजरमेंट सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स एंड डायमेंशंस. नाउ वी टेकिंग द पोर्शन डायमेंशनल इक्वेशन डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला. Sir, dimensional formula actually represented in the form square bracket. First one is the what is the mean of the dimension formula, how to represent dimension formula, how to derive dimension formula. The theme of the today's lecture, what is the mean of the dimensional formula, what is the importance of dimension formula, how to derive. So representation of dimensional formula in the shape of the square bracket, just like a matrix. Now we taking the three portion, basically measure M, L and T. M that means a representation of mass. L that means a length. What is the mean of the length? Length that means a length, breadth, height, depth and so on. And T that means a time. T that means a time. Simply in the class 9th and 10th you derive SI units. SI unit that means the SI unit of the velocity. What is the SI unit of the velocity? That means a meter per second. This is a SI unit. But according to the syllabus of the class 11th we have to find dimensional formula. Dimensional formula and dimensional equations both are related to each other, maybe 99%. So what is the mean of the dimensional equation? Student, the equation which relate the physical quantity. In the last lecture, okay, you learned about the physical quantity that means which use for the measurement. The equation which relate the physical quantity with its dimensional formula is called the dimensional equations. That means हमको डायमेंशनल इक्वेशन के लिए डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला समझना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. एंड व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला? दैट मीन्स द एक्सप्रेशन विच गिव्स द रिलेशन ऑफ ड्राइव्ड यूनिट. Which unit derived? In the last lecture we defined that units basically divided into two categories. First one is the fundamental and second one is the derived units. That means dimensional formula, the expression which gives the relation of derived unit of a physical quantity with the fundamental unit. That means a relation between the derived unit and relation between the derived and the fundamental unit are known as the dimensional formula. Now basically dimensional formula, ठीक है, for example m power a, L power b, T power c. M that means a representation of mass, L that means a representation of length, T that means a representation of time. But A, B, C that means a quantity of mass, B that means a quantity of length and C that means a quantity of T. Basically dimensional formula represented by square bracket M, L, T. But dimensional formula of 7 fundamental units of SI. In the last lecture we learn about the unit system. Unit system that means MKS, CGS, FPS and SI system. In the SI system how many fundamental quantities are there? 7 fundamental quantities. Dimensional formula of 7 fundamental unit of SI system. M that means M represent mass, L represent length, T represent time, K represent temperature, CD represent luminous intensity, and finally last one M represent MOL, that means a mole. So dimensional formula, ठीक है, in the dimensional formula we take MLT generally, but we introduce MLT, KCD and mole. M that means a representation for mass, L that means a representation for length, T T that means a representation for time, K that means a representation for temperature, CD small c small d that means a luminous intensity, and mole MOL that means a short form of mole. Now we taking the some examples according to the your syllabus. First example, very small example, derive the dimensional formula for area. Student, ठीक है, जस्ट फोकस ऑन थ्री थिंग्स. फर्स्ट वन इज द m that means a mass, l that means a length, and t that means a time. m mass जिसको हम थोड़ा सा तोलते हैं उसको मास बोलेंगे. l जिसको भी हम कहीं पर नापने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मेजरमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं तो l बोलेंगे. ठीक है, टाइम दैट मीन्स अ टाइम. सो एरिया, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया? ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लास 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th एंड सो ऑन, एरिया विल बी इक्वल ऑफ लेंथ इनटू ब्रीथ. Length, what is the mean of the length, student? Length that means a measurement, breadth also a type of measurement. So length represented by L and breadth also represented by L. L into L will be equal of L square. So dimension formula of area, here mass is not, so mass will be equal of 0. The quantity of mass will be equal of 0. L will be equal of 2 and T will be equal of 0. A small example related to area. Now we taking the second example according to the your syllabus. Volume. ठीक है, वॉल्यूम इक्वल टू लेंथ इंटू ब्रीथ इंटू हाइट अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला ऑफ क्लास 8th, 9th, 10th. Volume will be equal of length, breadth, height. In the class 10th, you know that ABC, the volume of cube, what is the mean of the volume of cube, will be equal of ABC. A that means a length, breadth and height. Now length that means a type of measurement, so represented by L. ठीक है, B that means a also measurement, height that means a length, breadth and height both are जिसको हम नापते हैं. L into L that means a L cube. So simple representation of volume, M here, M is 0, L is 3 and T also a type of 0. Now we taking the another examples, student. ठीक है, after the area, volume. ठीक है, second and third example is the velocity. What is the mean of the velocity? Velocity that means a displacement. You know that according to the concept of the class 10th, velocity that means the rate of change in displacement. The rate of change that means divide by the time. The rate of change, तो displacement. ठीक है, आप मुझसे कितना दूर है, दैट मीन्स अ लेंथ. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय L एंड टाइम रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय T. अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स, T to the power 1 convert into T to the power minus 1. So dimension formula is here M0, L1 and T minus 1. ठीक है, then after velocity, ठीक है, we take the another examples related to dimension formula. Acceleration that means the rate of change in velocity. The rate of change in velocity that means velocity by time. So what is the dimension formula of velocity? Here velocity represented by Lt minus 1. So velocity will be equal of Lt minus 1 and time will be equal of T. So Lt minus 1, again T to the power 1 convert into T to the power minus 1. T to the power minus 1, T to the power minus 1, T to the power minus 2. So the representation of acceleration will be equal of M is 0, L is 1, T minus 2. Now next point is there. First we taking the simple example related to area, then volume, then velocity, then acceleration. Finally we take a moving with the related to force. What is the standard formula of force? Force that means a mass into acceleration. Mass that means a M and acceleration will be equal of L2 minus 2. ठीक है, L2 minus 2. So representation of the dimension formula of the force, that means M will be equal of 1, L will be equal of 1 quantity and T minus 2. Student, dimension formula of force, ठीक है, डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला ऑफ फोर्स विल बी इक्वल ऑफ m to the power 1, L to the power 1 and T to the power minus 2. Now we taking another examples just like डेंसिटी. अच्छा, सिंपल भाषा में डेंसिटी होता क्या है? ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं यहाँ हवा में हाथ हिला रहा हूँ, थोड़ी मेहनत हो रही है, हाँ, बट अगर जो ये हाथ पानी में हिलाऊंगा तो थोड़ी और ज़्यादा मेहनत होएगी, रेत में हिलाऊंगा तो और मेहनत होएगी, बर्फ़ में सर और, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं, ठीक है, डेंसिटी बढ़ती जा रही है. आपको समझ आ रहा है? सिंपल भाषा में मैं बोल सकता हूँ, मीडियम जितना टाइट होगा, अपन बोलते हैं ना टाइट, तो उसकी डेंसिटी उतनी हाई होगी. दैट मीन्स ठीक है, द डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर एज कंपेयर टू एयर इज हाई, द डेंसिटी ऑफ आइस एज कंपेयर टू वाटर इज हाई, द डेंसिटी ऑफ metal as compared to I is high. So density, what is the standard formula of density? Density equals to mass by volume, mass by volume. ठीक है, mass represented by capital M, and we know that about the volume. Where is the volume? That means L cube. ठीक है, L to the power 3 will be convert into L to the power minus 3. So dimension formula ml L to the power minus 3 and T to the power 0. We taking the some examples. Now we recall, time for the recollution. ठीक है, area equals to length into breadth, both are the measurement units, convert into the form of the L into L square, L to the power 2, another is 0. Now volume, length into breadth into height, both are the measurement, L into L, that means L cube, m0, L cube, t0. Next one is the velocity. What is the mean of the velocity? Displacement by time, displacement, that means measurement, that means L, time, that means t to the power 1 convert into -1. So m will be equal of 0, L1 and t minus 1. Next one is the acceleration, that means the velocity by time. Velocity, in the case of the velocity we are getting the solution lt minus 1. Put the lt minus 1 in the place of the velocity and time will be equal of t to the power 1 convert into t to the power minus 1, t to the power minus 1, t to the power minus 1 will be equal of t to the power minus 2. Here m is not available, so m to the power will be equal of 0, L to the power 1, t to the power minus 2. Next one is the force. What is the mean of the force? Mass into acceleration, mass represented by m and acceleration represented by Lt minus 2. Put in the dimensional box. Now density, what is the mean of the density? Mass by volume, mass will be equal of capital M and volume will be equal of L cube. So m Lt minus cube. I hope you getting the all solutions. Student, next examples are there. Dimensional formula for momentum, for the force, impulse and work. So firstly, for the dimensional formula, we knows the formulas about the physical quantities. Momentum will be equal of mass into velocity. In the case of the mass will be equal of capital M. In the previous examples we getting the proper solution of the velocity in the form of Lt minus 1. So dimension formula will be m0, L1 and t minus 1. Next one is the force equal to mass into acceleration. Mass represented by capital M and acceleration. In the last example, acceleration will be equal of Lt minus 2. So Lt minus 2 will be equal of m0, Lt minus 2. I hope student you getting the proper solution, proper dimensional formula for the force. Now impulse will be equal of force into time. Now force, what is the mean of the force? Force equals to mass into acceleration. Force equal to mass into acceleration and time is same. Mass represented by capital M and acceleration represented by Lt minus 2 and time will be equal of capital T to the power 1. So m, L -2 + 1 will be equal of -1. Dimensional formula will be equal 0, 1, 0, 1 and t -1. The last one, force. Dimensional formula for the work equal to force into displacement. Force equal to mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration into displacement. Mass represented by capital M, displacement represented by LT -2, and displacement represented that means L. Again we getting M. L multiplied by L will be equal of 2 and t to the power -2. So required solution will be m to the power L, L to the power 2 and t to the power -2. Here we seen the many examples related to dimensional formula. First example, area. Second one is the volume. Third one is the velocity. Fourth one is the acceleration. Fifth one is the force. Then momentum, again force, impulse and work done. I hope student you getting the proper trick to find out the dimensional formula of physical quantity. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube channel.